Hi, I'm Anthony at the Sunnyside Guest House here in Southport, and we've just decided to do a quick video just to show our guests of the accessibility facilities that we've got here on site that they can use free of charge. So as you enter the building, you can see we've got a portable wheelchair ramp. Now if you're not in a wheelchair, you've got 2 steps to enter the building. On your right hand side there, you'll see there's a grab rail there just to get up that last step. So from here on in throughout the building, we've got step 3 access, unless you're in a room on the 1st or 2nd floor. We don't have a lift, but we do have a ground floor bedroom. On the left hand side here, we've got the reception room, sorry. And now if you didn't want to fill in your registration form as you entered the building, you can always do it online in advance. I think we send out our emails about 7 days before. And this is the dining room now here as well. Now if you had accessibility issues, we can do table service as well. But we do have a buffet here that guests usually help themselves from. I'll take you through to our ground floor bedroom. Just a quick reminder that all the door widths and that type of thing are available on our accessibility guide on our website. Now you can see on the side of the beds there, we've got our grab rails. And on the floor there, we've got our fridge as well, which can be used for medication. Put the light on it here just a second so you can have a good look round. As well, there's our ensuite. Now you can see just above the toilet there, we've got our adjustable height toilet seat. And we've also got just our grab rails there that can be used throughout the bathroom. We put anywhere, we've got lots of those if you want to use them. And in the shower there, we've got our adjustable height shower chair. Now if you'd like to make a reservation, you can call us on 01704 536 521, or you can go to our website, sunnysidesouthport.co.uk. And if you've got any more questions, please feel free to give us a call and ask. We're more than happy to help. Thank you very much.